Morning, students. I had read the lesson. What was that lesson's name? Maharashtra before Shivaji Maharaj. So I'll show you some photos as well as I'll read about this story. You will understand it very carefully. This is a EVS2 textbook cover photo. Chhatrapati Standard 4 Environmental Studies Part 2. This is our lesson. Maharashtra before Shivaji. And this is Nizam Shah and Adil Shah fighting with each other. We all live in the state of Maharashtra, and indeed it is such a wonderful state. Let us today learn a little bit about the history of this state and about Shivaji Maharaj. See, you can see a Maharashtra state in the picture. Shivaji Maharaj was a great Maratha warrior and king who ruled over most of Maharashtra. So Shivaji Maharaj was a Maratha person and he was a Maratha warrior also. And where he was living? He was living in Maharashtra. Shivaji Maharaj set up Swaraj in Maharashtra. What did Shivaji Maharaj set up? He set up Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. What does Swaraj mean? Self-government means we can make our own rules in the Swaraj. Before Shivaji Maharaj, a large part of Maharashtra was under the rule of Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. Before Shivaji Maharaj made his Swaraj in Maharashtra, there were two people, Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur, who ruled the Maharashtra. So you can see the map of Maharashtra as well as little part of India. So we can see that many rulers ruled the kingdom of Maharashtra. All these rulers were not honest and always fought for more land and wealth. The welfare of the people was not given any consideration. It means that there were many kings and many kingdoms who were ruled Maharashtra, but no one took the charge to make the state good in condition. It was a disturbing time for the people as their problems were never looked into. The rulers were busy fighting and begging war against each other. They were like not seeing the subject, but they were fighting with each other that I am the best than other. There were a lot of fames in the land and people did not have enough food to eat. The Deshmukhs and Deshpandes, who were officers of the king, were supposed to look after these matters, but they hardly did anything for the welfare of the people. So the people did not have food also. They didn't had proper work also. So there were Deshmukh and Deshpande who were the kings of the officer, and they also were like, why I will look for the subject, what I want to do with the subject, let them do whatever they want. It was like that. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this and wanted to change the state of affairs. He first united the Deshmukh and Deshpandes and motivated them to work for the welfare of the people. So Shivaji Maharaj saw each and everything whatever is going on, and then he told that Deshmukh and Deshpande, you all both are fighting is useless. You all become together and we will make our own Swaraj and we will fight from Nizam Shah and Adil Shah. He then fought the king and set up his own kingdom. It was very peaceful kingdom. When he fought for his kingdom from Nizam Shah and Adil Shah, then what happened? There were no fight. proper foods were given to the people, so the kingdom was very peaceful. Shivaji Maharaj then established the Hindevi Swaraj and made no distinction between the Muslims and Hindus. He treated all the people equally. So what Shivaji Maharaj did, he established Swaraj, but he kept his Swaraj name Hindevi. And then he told that all and every caste are welcome in this Swaraj. So what he did, he welcomed Hindus also, he welcomed Muslim also. So all the people were treated equally in it. Everyone in the kingdom was happy. The people praised and reserved Shivaji Maharaj. So people were like, oh my god, Shivaji Maharaj did so much things, so we should praise him. We should give whatever our efforts